LSI keywords, or Latent Semantic Indexing Keywords, are words and phrases that are semantically related to the main keyword or topic of a web page. These keywords help search engines understand the context and relevance of the content, allowing them to provide more accurate search results. LSI keywords are derived from patterns and relationships found within large collections of text data, and they assist in determining the thematic relevance of a web page. Using LSI keywords in SEO can be highly beneficial for improving search engine rankings and driving targeted organic traffic to your website. Here are some key ways to utilize LSI keywords effectively. Enhancing content relevance. By incorporating LSI keywords naturally into your content, you can provide additional context and depth to your main topic. This not only helps search engines understand the content better but also offers valuable information to users, improving user experience and engagement. Diversifying Keyword Strategy. LSI keywords enable you to expand your keyword strategy beyond just the main target keyword. By incorporating related keywords and phrases throughout your content, you increase the chances of ranking for a wider range of search queries, reaching a broader audience. Optimizing on-page elements. LSI keywords can be used strategically in various on-page elements. Include them in your page titles, meta descriptions, headings, and image alt tags to provide search engines with more information about your content and improve your chances of ranking for relevant searches. Improving link building. LSI keywords can also be helpful when building backlinks to your website. By diversifying the anchor text of your inbound links with related keywords, you can signal to search engines the relevance of your content and improve your overall link profile. Conducting keyword research. To identify LSI keywords, you can utilize various keyword research tools and techniques. Look for related terms, synonyms, and phrases that are frequently associated with your target keyword. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner, LSI Graph, and SEMrush can assist you in finding relevant LSI keywords. Incorporating LSI keywords into your SEO strategy can enhance your website's visibility, relevance, and overall search engine rankings. By providing search engines with more comprehensive information about your content and appealing to a broader range of user search intents, you can attract more targeted organic traffic to your website, ultimately benefiting your company. Techie Shubdeep IT Solutions Private Limited. For more information, feel free to visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in or contact us at +91 8305233223 or via email at info@techiesgroup.co.in.